and again, it's me, ACI, and today we will be playing Teardown. And Teardown is a game that you've probably seen on my channel before, but maybe not. So in this game, you basically get to destroy anything you want. So today, we'll be trying out destroying this plane. And the funniest part about it, or the best part, is that we'll be colliding another plane. So I got this mod where you get a plane gun, and what it does, it basically shoots planes. So today we'll be testing out everything with this plane. So let's. The thing I want to test out in this plane is what will happen if I just take this drone. Let's try slicing it into halves like the Titanic, but with a plane. Okay, should I go from this angle? Yeah, lag. Yeah, the plane got sliced into two halves. Yeah, the extinguisher. Yeah, this is definitely the extinguisher. So things good. Okay, we're gonna in 1 minute. Okay guys, my bad. So we'll be right now. What I want to do is I have this lava gun and I'm gonna try slicing the wings. So I'm gonna try pulling up. Why am I doing this so weird? This door seems to be out of service. Okay, let's just use this special thing. If you press V, this stuff works. So let's get out our lava gun. Lava gun. I don't want to damage the fuel tank. Did I still know? Okay, now this is fully plugged. Oh, now it is. This is what a wing is saying. Yeah, let me check this out. Let me just put this on the preview of the video. It's gonna look really cool. Trust me. Like this. Yeah, like this it looks. Okay, we're back. Now it's time for the fun parts. Well, not that fun yet. Let's first. some people unconscious here. They may be still alive, but definitely unconscious. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, there's a lot of unconscious people in here. Then clear touchdown. Let's go back into the cockpit to see. Okay, now we definitely touchdown. That was a rough touchdown. That was definitely maybe it was. Okay, now we definitely touchdown. I'm here to the it's still all broken. Oh no, it's different one. C4, I guess. Rest in peace, this guy. Okay, let's go forward. The plane has no wings. Touchdown. I mean, some people are still unconscious, I think. Let's go to the funnest part. Okay, this is gonna be the funniest part, the best part. We're gonna take out the plane gun and this part. Almost putting out, see the ground, and go back to your seat to put on your seatbelt. It doesn't matter, this is my seat, but just put on my seatbelt. Oh my God, that was a really touchdown. Okay, this wasn't long, but this plane definitely got. Okay, we're back with the flying part. Let's get out our plane gun ready. Not our plane gun. But, yeah, our plane. Let's go. So, this time we're going to smash it right over there to the cockpit. So, imagine a small jet collide over here with big air on it. And now, the cockpit is not. And you don't have any. What are you doing this with? Okay, we're back. Now we're going to try the same experiment, but instead of hitting the cockpit or the back, we're going to hit the front. The front? Right over there. Yes. That is some severe damage to the plane. So let's see what the passengers can see. Sorry for the lie. This has to be a lie. This is tear down. because like you don't really see anything, so you're not panicking. And the doors closed. Okay, all the fire just disappeared with that magic. Okay, definitely everybody is getting killed. Nobody is surviving. Oh, you know who are surviving? The people on the washrooms. And maybe there's... Yeah, this is so laggy. Let's just read. Okay. Now, let's see. What if a B2 spirit smashed it? So I don't really have any B2 spirits, but I have the spawn button that I could spawn one. Oh, where's B2? There it is. So this is gonna collide with this thing, just like that. So it's gonna fall down right on top of it. What if we do this? 2 B2 spirits. Nothing happens? Nah, this looks sick. Actually, I'm gonna put this. Because 2 B2 spirits on an airplane? That looks way sicker than whatever I actually need. And let me take out this thing. Let me take out the plane airplane and put this. Yeah, this looks great. And a plane. Okay, maybe I didn't need that. Oh my gosh, holy God. Okay, let's see what we can do right now. So imagine you're coming in the plane and you're just a passenger, innocent passenger that has a grappling hook for some reason. No one took care of you. So you break into the cockpit and you take away the innocent passenger thing from you. Now walking off. You break in here and you know you accidentally break and yeah, it's really bad. Basically done with this. It's GG for you, for your friends, for anybody who went off this plane. The plane is falling down. The only thing we can do in this plane is come out. Not anything else. We're really bouncing I'm not flying anymore. You are getting the only way you're surviving is if you're buckled up to your seat. Right over here at this exact specific seat. Looking out your window. You know what's happening right now. You clearly know. You don't want to leave. And you get thrown out of this. How much people can survive in this? Look at the plane from the top view. This is what's happening to it right now. Like how much people think look side. You're going out this way. You're not in the airplane. Nobody's saving you. Only other people who broke their arms. Everything. And this is what the plane looks like. Looks pretty cool, I guess. And that's another plane right over there. Okay. So guys, what to say? I think we should end the video right now. Because yeah. Like if you want to see more teardown videos. Comment what other games I should post. Yeah. Bye bye. great day. I guess. Bye bye. I hope you never get into a plane crash like this. Or any other plane crash. Bye bye.